Hello! Today I will tell you about the present continuous time using the example of a small and cheerful hamster. It is digging. It is digging. It is digging. The hamster is standing on its hind legs. It is spinning the wheel. It is spinning the wheel. The hamster is grooming itself. It is eating. It is eating. It is eating. The hamster is hiding in its burrow. The hamster is hiding in its burrow. What is the hamster doing? It is digging. What is the hamster doing? It is standing on its hind legs. What is the hamster doing? It is grooming itself. What is the hamster doing? It is eating.